Hello guys, it's King here. Today we have a new yard installation. We are gonna be putting some Bermuda. As you can see, it's fresh and green. And that's what we're gonna be installing. This is the before look. Stay tuned for the after. If y'all need grass all over Houston or Texas, let us know, we'll take care of you. And I'll be back with the after look. Halfway process, guys. We're adding some topsoil, making a new layer of ground, and then we will be putting that new grass. So guys, we've added the soil already, as you can see, and we started with the grass already. It's looking beautiful. With this area and the side of the sidewalk over there, I'll be back with the final touch. Hello guys, back with the after look. As y'all can see, we're gonna water the grass and be out. If y'all want your yard to look like this, let us know. We'll take care of you. Thanks for watching.